I'm gonna show y'all real quick on how to get your cute little bun on fleek with your baby hairs. Okay. I'm gonna give y'all a few tips. So what I usually do is I wash my hair once a week, and then I always use this nourishing coconut milk conditioner as my leave-in conditioner from Organics. So it looks like this. This is my holy grail. It makes my hair very, very soft. And yeah, so I use this as my conditioner. My styling milk, everything, I use this. And you can get this at Walmart, Walgreens, any of that. But I'm not going to put any in my hair right now because it's already in my hair. So first things first, I don't use a regular twist tie because they end up looking like this. And I always end up having to tie them. I've been using like these little headband things or big hair bows, whatever you want to call them. And I double them up like this. And that's what I use to apply my bun. So first you take a spray bottle and you just spray your hair. Then what I use is a denim brush. This is like the off-brand, but it still works. Okay, it works wonders. So I'm gonna use this to just detangle my hair and comb it up into a bun. Make sure you ain't got no lumps. Nice and smooth and detangled. I'm gonna put my hair in a rough draft bun to apply my product. Okay, so the gel that I use is the EcoStyle Professional Gel, the black castor and flaxseed oil one. As you can see, I'm running out, but this is my staple for all of my like updos, all of my natural styles. Get you this. Use my edge brush to just apply the gel all over the perimeter. Now I'm not putting a whole bunch. Each time I dip into my thing, I'm just putting enough to basically coat the edge brush. Okay, so once you have the gel brushed up all around your perimeter, just take a hard brush and slick your hair down from there. Now, something I like to do is, as soon as I'm finished, like as I'm brushing it up, I wipe it up with my hands. It like smooths, gives it extra smooth to me. Of this conditioner on camera, but I usually do it and put it on like the night before, so that way the next day it's already soaked into my hair and moisturized, and I just have to wet it. Once you got your hair all brushed up, pull it tight, whatever. And just bring it around like that. Okay, hold on. This part is important. So let me figure out a way so y'all can see this. Alright. From here, you're gonna take your bun hair, and just bring it, so kind of loop it. You see? Get it to like the end right here and bring it around. And just hold it like that. Okay. Then you're gonna take your bow already double looped like I showed you earlier, and bring it around while you're still holding it tight. Around again, do like 3 times. Okay. From here, just tighten it up. And then bring the hair like that extra hair, just loop it around. Now we're gonna go back through to these edges with the gel and just get it extra slick now. So now that it's secure in its ponytail holder, and what I do is if I feel anything, I just trace it over with the comb to get it extra smooth. So yeah, basically what I'm doing is brushing everything up again, making sure everything is smooth by running over with my fingers. If I feel any lumps, I just use the comb end of the edge brush to comb it up. All right, so now that you're finished with the base of your bun, we're gonna go ahead to the baby hairs. This is how your edges should look right now. Nice and slick. Then go back in with the gel, just a little bit, like that much. Yes, my brush is dirty, honey. I use it faithfully every day. Cool. So what I do is kind of just take some hair, brush it down, and swoop. That's it. And then the other side, I'm gonna get these sideburns. Okay, and we're done. So from there, just make sure you have a silk scarf that you can wrap around your hair to lay those edges, girl. To lay those baby hairs. And let's tie your hair. Now don't tie it too tight because you don't want no line. You don't want a line around the perimeter of your head. And just leave the scarf on for about 5 minutes and you'll be good to go. Alright guys. So after that, this is how your bun should look. This is the finished top knot bun.